all the trees. I wonder what magical things we'll find today. Come along and let's explore. Shh! Do you hear that? The leaves are whispering to us. Can you hear the magic? Let's listen carefully. Whoosh, whoosh! Look! The flowers are dancing, swaying and spinning in the breeze. Let's dance with them, twirling in circles. Spin around, just like the flowers. Wow! Look at that magic butterfly. It's so pretty and light. Let's follow the butterfly. Flap your wings like a butterfly. Look! A rainbow tree! The magic is here! The rainbow tree glows softly. Let's sit under the tree and feel the magic together. Can you make a wish? Let's close our eyes and make a wish under the rainbow tree. What a magical day it has been. We heard the leaves, danced with flowers, followed a butterfly and made a wish under the rainbow tree. I hope you'll join me next time for another magical adventure.